Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. ...2021 Subaru Outback. Gonna be doing some sound deadener and trying to cut down on the road noise. So this is a 2021 Subaru Outback. It's really nice. I've actually not seen a lot of these newer ones, but this one actually has leather, has the full infotainment system, rocker Fosgate audio. It's a really nice car. This is way nicer than a lot of the Subarus that we have seen or worked on. So this is definitely a step up from a lot of them that we have worked on. Here's the back. The biggest complaint the customer has, which I actually know really well from a lot of these, especially because the motor, this is extremely loud on the inside when you're driving on the highway. So we're gonna kind of like add some sound deadener and different things to it, some foams to kind of cut down on that road noise. So we'll kind of show you some pictures of before and after and the process of how everything goes. All right, we're gonna be doing this 2021 Subaru Outback rear door panel. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this with our hook tool. We're gonna pop this lid, and then back here is the same way. We're gonna take this and pop off this lid on the back part right here. We got underneath this part right here with our hook tool, pulled it back. Here's the back side right here. And we pulled this up with our hook tool, and there's the screw that's in there. And there's also a Phillips head in there. And then what you're gonna do is kind of grab around here in this area, because it stops about right there, and then just pull up. You'll have to pull kind of hard, and then this whole door panel will come off, and then just pull up on the top part. Okay, so when you're taking these off, you're just gonna pull this blue part right here out, and then release the ball, and then the same thing with the pink one. And then you're gonna have one plug right here that you're gonna have to unplug, and then the whole door panel will come off. Here's what the door panel looks like removed. Here's your one plug that you have to unplug, and then your pink and your blue for your door locks and your door handle assembly. And then obviously these black pieces right here where all the plugs basically plug in for the door plugs and snap pieces. And there's the factory lovely speaker that they put in these, even with the Rockford Fosgate. So what we're gonna do is, look at this cheap plastic. We're gonna definitely dynamat all this because it is terrible looking. There's no sound dampening. All right, we're gonna do these front door panels on the 2021 Subaru Outback. This actually has the Rockford Fosgate system in it, but they're all pretty much the same. We're gonna pop this up. There's a screw under here. We're gonna pop this out. There's a screw behind here, and then we're also going to pop this. Now, most of these have little indentations where you can just pop this out. What we're going to do is we're gonna use a hook tool, and then we're gonna just pop this one out. Same way with underneath here. You're gonna get underneath this little crevice that they put underneath here. There's a little part, and you can just pop that out. And the same way with down here. All of them have indentations to where you can just stick your piece down in there and then just pop it out. So we're gonna pop all three of those off right now. Here's what they look like when you pop them up. Screw underneath that one, screw behind that one, and here's the panel. Like I said, you can grab it underneath there. Certain Subaru models, this is going to be a dummy plate and have nothing. This one actually has nothing behind it, so just has a dummy hole. Some of them you might have a screw back there, so be careful. Now we're going to take the screws out, and then we'll be ready to pull the panel off. And now we have all the screws removed, so we're going to go ahead and start popping on the panel. So we're going to probably start right around here in this edge, and we're just going to start pulling back. Okay, then the way you're going to take these two pieces off when you get the door panel pulled off is you're just going to pull up on the blue one. So the ball will come out, pull up on the red one, and that ball will come out. Be careful, it's got a bunch of grease on it. And then you're gonna have two plugs down here you're gonna need to unplug. One, and then two. And then there's also a light down here at the very bottom. You can see right down here, there's a light. So you'll need to unplug that and the door panel will come off.